Now, when you happen to be in design, you have to stay informed about what's happening in the industry. You have to study and follow the leaders. What are they thinking? What are they doing? So today, I am at IKEA, the Swedish homewares giant. Let's go do a case study of IKEA. Follow me. My bank balance. Another study nook with plenty of storage options. A study cum workroom I was particularly attracted to. No prizes for guessing how the sewing machine and all the bits and bobs are stored. You want a room with a view? but your window opens into a dingy alleyway. Create your own view with customized wallpaper. The third thing I like about IKEA is how well they address their core customer profile. Families living in small spaces, specifically apartments, professionals on the move, living in and working out of different parts of the world. So they have to focus on optimizing space, creating multifunctional diverse products and products that can be assembled and disassembled quickly. You know, flat pack, on the go, easy to kind of, take from one place to another. Some more green living ideas. And if you do not want green living, you can have the Manhattan skyline. Now to the bedroom. Notice how lanterns have been used to create a design feature. And I am obviously drawn to embroidered cushions and embroidery hoops. Cannot have a luxury feel in a small apartment? Says who? Create a Beverly Hills vibe in your condo apartment. Vintage wallpaper, a walk-in closet, a freestanding tub, his and hers vanity. This apartment has all the bells and whistles.